There's a lot of information out there about cables. Some people say it's all a hoax. What's up, everybody? It's Rhett from the Heights Lab, and today we're going to be talking about how to save a whole lot of money on cables. I'm hoping this is looking good. I'm a firm believer in cable quality, whether it's XLR, instrument, whatever. Um, so I'm not going to tell you the answer is to buy cheap cables. Some good cables, however, cost upwards of, say, $94 for a 25 foot. I do believe in the Mogami cables, but I'm going to tell you how to get it at a fraction of the price. The short answer is build your own cables. This roll right here is approximately 164 feet. I got it for $90. Along with that, you can pick up good Neutrik style connectors or Switchcraft or whatever kind you want for relatively cheap. I'll drop some links in this video. So for about $110, I got enough to build 10 cables. That's 10 XLR females, 10 XLR males, and the 164 foot of cable. I also paid only $13 for 4 genuine Neutrik TRS cables. I plan to use this to make some combo things. The only additional thing you'll need for this project is the ability to solder. And trust me, if you are new to it, it is not as hard as it looks. You can go to Harbor Freight or Amazon, get a really inexpensive soldering iron, get some solder, and go to work. There are plenty of YouTube videos out there that will teach you, and it's a lot easier to do than soldering on through-hole circuit boards. I have plenty of other videos of me working on the Moog, and many other boards. I started honing in my skills originally making cables. It's some of the best practice and definitely the cheapest way that I've found to get your own cables. Not to mention you can make the cables to any length. I plan to completely rewire my studio here soon. I'm going to just pull all the cables out, see what I got. It's good to make it not so much look like spaghetti back there. In the future, I'll also try to make some videos on soldering XLR to TRS cables or something like that. If that sounds like something you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I got a whole lot more on the way.